Interested in history, public policy, law? What better place to spend your summer than Washington, D.C.? Come spend your summer in our nation's capital. The Global Experiences Washington, D.C. Internship Program gives students the opportunity to gain valuable work experience in a variety of fields while taking advantage of the playground of the national sights and treasures the city has to offer. Whether you're looking to explore an internship with a nonprofit in international relations, law, or any number of fields, Global Experiences in Washington has something for everyone.